Imagine, there is a forest on Earth, a large part of which has not yet been touched by humans. A place where thousands of unknown animals, mysterious plants, and hundreds of indigenous communities have lived in harmony with nature for thousands of years. This forest is the Amazon rainforest, the largest and most mysterious forest on Earth. In today's video, we will learn how big the Amazon is, why it is so important to the world, what dangerous animals live here, why many parts of this forest are still unexplored, and why exploring the entire forest could be a great risk for humanity. The Amazon, which spans 9 countries in South America: Brazil, Peru, Bolivia, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guyana, covers an area of about 7 million square kilometers. This is about the size of 48 Bangladeshis. More than half of the world's rainforests are located here. These forests absorb huge amounts of carbon and play an important role in maintaining the balance of the world's climate. Scientists estimate that more than 40,000 plant species, about 400 billion trees, and millions of species of animals and insects live here. Due to the dense vegetation of the Amazon, sunlight cannot reach the ground even during the day in many places. It can even take several minutes for rainwater to penetrate the layer of leaves of the trees and reach the ground. This forest is home to countless amazing plants. Some carnivorous plants catch and digest insects. There are also palm trees, whose roots seem to be slowly changing their location. The Amazon is home to more than 300 indigenous communities. Some of these communities still do not communicate with the outside world. They have been living in this forest for thousands of years, maintaining their traditions and culture. The Amazon is also incredible in terms of fauna. It is home to the world's largest snake, the Green Anaconda, the powerful predator Jaguar, the sharp-toothed piranha, the highly venomous bullet ant, the huge black Caiman, the powerful harpy eagle, the poisonous poison dart frog, and the electric eel, which can deliver an electric shock of more than 6. This vast rainforest gradually developed about 110 million years ago, after Africa and South America separated, and as a result of the formation of the Andes Mountains and long-term climate change. The lifeblood of this forest is the Amazon River. This river, about 6,500 kilometers long, is the world's largest river, carrying the most water. Every second, a huge amount of water falls into the Atlantic Ocean. Another wonder of the Amazon is Peru's boiling river. The water temperature of this river is so high in many places that it becomes difficult for small animals to survive if they fall into it. Although scientists say that geothermal factors are behind this, it is still an interesting subject of research. Many people ask, why are there no large bridges or roads in such a large forest? The main reason for this is that the Amazon is one of the most important ecological resources in the world. Building large roads and Therefore, various countries and environmentalists around the world attach special importance to the conservation of this forest. The Amazon is also surrounded by numerous legends. The most famous of these is the story of El Dorado, the city of gold. Over the centuries, many explorers have set out in search of this mysterious city. But to this day, no reliable evidence has been found of its real existence. So will humans one day be able to explore every corner of the Amazon? Technologically, much more may be possible in the future, but opening up the entire forest would be a huge environmental disaster. The cutting down of billions of trees, the destruction of countless animal habitats, and the disruption of the lives of isolated indigenous peoples could have far-reaching consequences, not only for the Amazon, but also for the climate of the entire world. So all the secrets of the Amazon may one day be revealed, while some secrets may remain with nature. And that mystery is what makes the Amazon one of the most amazing and valuable forests in the world. If you like the video, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more such mysterious documentaries. Thank you.